Hello guys, this is Basit Mohammed and you're watching English Language and Literature. Welcome back to another lecture on Precis writing. In this lecture, we are going to cover the general rules of a Precis writing. Without any delay, let's jump into the topic. Guys, when you're reading a passage, try to find out the main theme or a central idea. No piece of writing is without a certain theme. The whole passage hangs around the main theme of it. Once you have found the central idea, now it's time to separate major points from the minor ones. Major points are those which are directly connected to the main idea, and the minor points are those that are not directly connected to the main idea of the passage. You have to retain all major points and discard all minor points or ideas from the passage. Don't write your précis by paraphrasing a few sentences and deleting others. I would say that the excessive usage of vocabulary is not a healthy thing to do for writing a précis. Rather, it destroys your purpose of being concise. Extensive use of the technique like one word substitution is very important and also conducive or helpful to make a perfect précis. Guys, one word substitution is a process in which you use one word to replace a phrase that contains many words. For example, you are given this sentence in the passage: John does not believe in the existence of God. One who doesn't believe in the existence of God is simply an atheist. Therefore, you will rewrite the sentence as John is an atheist. Okay, a précis should be written in your own words as far as possible, and this never says that write the whole précis by reproducing whole text. This doesn't mean that each word of the passage must be replaced. You can keep a few significant phrases, technical terms, and keywords. Okay, guys, you know that there are three types of narratives: first person narrative, second person narrative, and third person narrative. Précis is always written in the third person narrative. What if the passage is autobiographical? And you know that all autobiographies are in the first person narrative. In this case, change the direct speech into indirect speech. In the passage where the writer uses the first person I, start your sentence with the phrase, the author or writer says. And remember, don't use this phrase again and again. You're not supposed to pass any comment about the ideas expressed in the passage because it doesn't suit your purpose. Your purpose is not to evaluate or criticize the text, but to create a concise version of it. Reduce the passage to one third of its original length. For example, there are 300 words in the passage, and your job is to reduce the number of words to 100 from 300. There can be two or more than two paragraphs in the given text or passage. Reproduce all the ideas in one paragraph. More than one paragraph is not allowed in the précis writing. And finally, avoid using four W's: what, why, who, and whom in the précis writing. This is all for today's lecture. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.